Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this website right here called Lindoga. So what is the work of Lindoga guys? So Lindoga lets you teach online and you will earn money guys. So you literally teach people your language and you will earn money for it. So if you are from Portugal, you can teach Portuguese and you earn money. If you are from Germany, you teach people your language and you will earn. And even if it's English guys, you teach guys, there is literally everybody guys on Lindoga. So Lindoga is open for every race, everybody. Just teach your language and you will earn. So let's check out the website together. So as you can see here, yes, it's turn Sunday into today. Speak confidently this autumn. You can see here, learn anything 24/7 and access 100 plus hours of self-study materials to achieve your goals faster. Start your free trial today. So that's just it guys. As you can see here, select a language to learn. So you can literally learn any language. You see, Italian, Spanish, French, business, English, Germany, and all guys. So as you can see here, over 300k students reached their goal with us, which means like over 300k students already completed their teaching guys, like they are satisfied. And you can see here, over 800k live classes available per year, 2.4k dedicated and professional teacher. So what we are interested in is to join these 2.4k teachers guys, and it is that easy. What we just need to do is you can literally go through all this page guys, but I don't want to waste much of your time. So what you just need to do is come down right here, just scroll down guys. So as you can see here, these are facts guys, so you can literally, where is it at? So you can literally check these facts and check the answer, like any question you want guys, you can literally check your answer right here. So let's go down guys. So this is what we are interested in, become a teacher. So just click on it. So you can see here, yes, it's join our international language teacher team. You can see here, yes, it's work online anytime, anywhere. Small group classes with adult students. Experts design materials at your disposal. So what you just need to do is click on this become a teacher guys. So you can say language you can teach. So these are the four current language. Actually it is five with Italian, because Italian is not yet updated here guys, but you can teach five language instead of this four right here. It is five. So you teach Italian, French, Spanish, Germany, and what's it called, and English guys. So that is the five language available guys. So just click on become a teacher guys. So as you can see here, yes, it says become a teacher at Lindoga. So you can see here current opportunities. You click on location, everything. You can see here department or division. You can see here you can literally teach like all these things guys. You can teach all these things. So that's just how it works guys. So as you can see here, yes, it says job title and everything. So you join these people guys so that you can also teach online. So as you can see here, these are the things available. So freelance online French teacher guys. So if you are interested in this, just click on these guys. So as you can see here, yes, it's apply now. You can see department, teacher management, employment type, freelance, location, remote, all countries, workplace type, fully remote. So that's just how it works. Just read about everything guys before you click on apply now. And that's it guys, you have yourself a Lindoga account. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below guys. And thank you for watching. See you next time.